Hello, my friends. Perhaps there are many individuals who frequently place their own personal links within their WhatsApp accounts. We will now learn precisely how to effectively conceal this particular feature from certain specific people, or indeed from absolutely everyone. To begin, we will open the WhatsApp application just as we typically would. Following that, we will gently tap right here, or alternatively on these three distinct dots located at the top right corner of the screen. For your reference, this particular method also effectively works on all iPhones. We will then proceed to tap on the main settings application. If your phone is an iPhone, you will find an icon in this spot with settings underneath it. Just tap on it. Since my personal phone is an Android device, I will proceed to tap right here. After that, I will carefully scroll down just a little bit and then diligently look for the specific option that is clearly labeled Privacy. And if your phone is in another language, remember the icons and locations I will be heading to. I will tap precisely in this designated spot. Subsequent to that, I will proceed to tap on the option labeled Links from this particular interface. At this juncture, you are free to choose whichever selection or option most appropriately suits your specific requirements or preferences. For example, I will specifically choose Nobody. I genuinely think this particular feature is quite useful for a significant number of people. Oh, if you've made it to this point, don't forget to check out this list. This is a comprehensive playlist featuring some essential WhatsApp tutorials. Within this collection, you will find many important and useful tutorials that you will certainly like and greatly benefit from. Goodbye for now, my friend.